How to check who is monitoring your WhatsApp chat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can check who is monitoring your WhatsApp chat. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you can look for unusual WhatsApp web sessions. In order to check that, open up WhatsApp in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. After that, tap on three dot icon at the top right, and here tap on linked devices. And under this page, review the list of active sessions and their locations. And if you see an unrecognized device, simply tap on it and select Logout. And the second option is to verify your WhatsApp settings. So for that, again, tap on three dot at the top right, then go to settings, then tap on account. And now here tap on two-step verification and then enable it with a PIN. So in this way your account will be secured with the two-step verification, which will provide extra security. So every time during the registration, your phone number or the WhatsApp will require a PIN in order to use the WhatsApp again. Now after that, in order to secure your WhatsApp account more, you have to avoid sharing your QR code. Sharing your WhatsApp QR code can allow others to link your account on their device. So be cautious and always log out of shared devices. And also observe for some unusual behavior. Messages marked as read but that you haven't opened, and messages sent from your account without your knowledge. So observe such kind of unusual behavior. And the last option is to re-register your WhatsApp. Uninstall the WhatsApp application from your device to install it back, and after that re-register with your phone number, which will log out any other unauthorized users. So if you suspect any serious behavior or intrusion, you can always report it to WhatsApp support and take necessary steps like contacting local authorities if required. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.